I'm collecting the Swarm.m4vs for this guy here in Franklinville, New Jersey. It's a good sized cluster. This is my second one of the season. Today is April 30th, and I'm going to try to record this. I'll see what happens.
In the middle there somewhere, right?
Should be. That's the key thing.
Might need another box.
Yeah, well, it's a swarm box. It's made to be get in tight locations. And then when I go home tonight or tomorrow, when I go home and I transfer them over, I put them in a bigger box. About double the size of that.
You ought to get something more modern.
What you hear in the background, the guy is telling me I need to modernize, update my smoker. This one's from Kelly's, Walter D. Kelly Bees, and it's a nice stainless steel smoker. I got this one used. I lost the pin this year, and I kept sliding back out, and finally I just lost it and ended up bending it. I don't know how I bent it, but after it slid out, I ended up bending it. And I have another smoker, but smaller, firebox. And inside the other one, there's a metal screen at the bottom. This one doesn't have that metal screen. So I think if I got that metal screen, my smoker from going out, that will stop it from going out. I'm thinking getting like, either try to buy a replacement piece or getting some like expanded metal and put it down in there to make my own. If I keep having an issue with the smoker after my honey sale this year, hopefully I get good amount of honey, I will buy a new smoker. I want to stick with the traditional leather bellows instead of those plastic ones you see from, like, I guess Brushy Mountain has them, or Man Lake. So I'll probably go with a Kelly smoker or a Dedant or Dayton & Son, I don't know however you pronounce it. I think it's a French name, so I'm pretty sure you're supposed to pronounce it Dedant. But they're going to be my two companies to go for the smokers. I'm not sure if Rossman's carries it, and I'd like to stay with the traditional older companies and not these new mom and pop ones. Just nothing wrong with the mom and pop ones, but I'd just rather go with experience over the newer people trying to get in to make a buck. So I'd rather see someone that's has proven equipment. So that's what that little spat was, but he was breaking my stones about with my smoker. I said I like the leather bellows and smokers, and I said my inner covers, I like to have that little notch in them, and they're getting harder to find. Not as many people are putting them in there. I guess it costs that much more to put them in there, or they're finding it not to be useful, but I like using it during the winter time, especially help to get the moisture out of the hive. So that's what that little thing was. So that's my smoker.
That being said, Chief, get something modern.
Like what?
Oh, that's something that works.
This is the most modern thing you can get.
Yeah?
Yeah. They look all pissed off, man. They're not pissed off. They don't know what to do.
Yeah, the guy said 80 bucks.
How much?
80 bucks.
80 bucks? That's all he's willing to pay me?
How they gonna get in there?
What's that?
How they gonna get in there?
There's an entrance in front here.
They can clean the box.
We'll find out in a second. They all decide to leave and go back up there, then just go back up there. You have to wait and see how many gather back.
Like a bunch of them are getting on the box.
The entrance on the other side. But you can see they're gathering. I don't know if that's why I scared off or that they're coming out of the box.
I don't know how good the rest of the video came out, but I shook all the bees onto the frame, or originally into the box and then onto an empty frame, and I shoved them in here. And the queen's in there because you can tell because they're crawling in through the front there. And I'm gonna leave this here. It's about lunchtime, noon. I'm gonna leave this box here and come back at dusk, 7:30, 8 o'clock, and all the bees should be crawled inside, and I'll pull it out of here then. But I appreciate the people that call me and allow me to pick up their swarms.